kind world.
Little habits, big dreams. Today, we'll learn why washing our hands is so important.
Hi, friends. I'm ready to show you.
Playing in the park is so much fun. Oh no, what happened to your hands?
My hands are dirty.
What should we do now?
We should wash them with soap and water.
First, let's wet our hands. Then, take some soap.
Okay, I'm wetting my hands.
Rub your hands together to make bubbles. Now rinse your hands well.
Bye-bye, Bubbles.
Finally, dry your hands.
All dry. Look, my hands are all clean. I washed them with soap and water. Now they're shiny and happy.
All done. You did amazing. Now it's your turn. Go wash your hands too.